Today we'll be exploring the keyword search by Outread. So the keyword search's interface works quite similarly compared to Darwin AI. And to navigate to the keyword search, you simply just want to click on Darwin AI, and on the top you can click on keyword search. Now the main difference between Darwin AI and keyword search is that keyword search doesn't use contextual cues to find the most relevant papers for you. It simply just does, as the name suggests, a keyword search. So for example, I can search for carbon plated running shoes. Now before I search for any papers, there are a few filters that you should probably go through. So here you can see the filters. So we have the papers to retrieve, which is the amount of papers that I'll show, and you can also say your year range, as well as filter out what the minimum citations will be. You can also click on the open access only, so this will only show papers that are open access and not behind a paywall, and you can also determine how you want to sort these papers by. Now similarly to Darwin AI, you can also set up your data extraction fields here, but we already went through that in the Darwin AI tutorial, so I'll skip it for now. Now once you've set all of these things, you can just simply click on search papers. Now as you can see, these are the results that the keyword search has displayed. On the top you'll find how many papers there are in total for this keyword. You can also click on export CSV to get it in an Excel spreadsheet. And then this is the research table. So the research table comes with 5 predetermined columns, which is a title and abstract, the authors, year, citation, and if it's open access or not. Now for the title and abstract, you can also click on show more to read the entire abstract, and you can also click on the title to go to the original paper. Now something that's completely unique to the keyword search is if you go to the bottom right and click on this chat icon, you can talk with the papers. Now let's say you have a question that how many of these papers use a certain methodology, then you can simply ask this question here and it will give you an answer. Now originally it only gives you an answer based on the abstracts, but if you click on the load full text, then it will try and download the full text for whatever papers are available. So for example here, it's going to go through each of these papers and then it's going to tell me at the end how many of these papers have the full text available and how many of them don't, after which I can ask my question. Now obviously this will change depending on your keyword and how many open access papers are available for your particular keyword. Now the research assistant has stopped loading, and as you can see, 14 of 25 papers have full text loaded. Now we can ask a simple question, or you can use one of the preloaded questions like compare methodologies used. And then the AI assistant should shortly give us an answer. As you can see, it's generating an answer, and the answer also comes with inline citations. So as you can see, example paper 1, 4, 5, 6, 11. And you can also ask follow-on questions like what was the most used methodology? There you go. So that's the keyword tool by Outread. Thanks.